Sanibonani makhaya bafethu. I'm your host Stosh. This is Premier Soccer League Pulse. Bhuti wami igama ubani?
Ukhura lo ubuye eKatlehong branch.
Kura from Katlehong branch. My brother, igame yafana nakho ibone kanjani? Orlando Pirates 2, iMagesi 0, i-revenge from last season. Igame yafana nakho ibone kanjani?
Mfethu yabona igame namhlanje it was a very nice game because score ukuqala. Yazi thina singamabhakane sikhathele baba. Sikhathele ngokuya kuma final amfuna ukutshela manga and siyakhosteka ngokuthenga amatikiti sihlale sihambe siya kuma final each and every year siyakayithuka final sikhathele imali iphelile iPirates asijabulisa but iMagesi ne namhlanje sifikele sishayile siyabonga for ukuthi coach yethu yazile ukuthi endeni iyatheka iswine 2-1 then uChipazes again the man of the match we told 100,000 guess how much he got from Elon in Black Label
400,000 last season
400,000 lomutlona but namhlanje siyenze show ukuthi endeni siyawina abanye bakwatile mngani wami bakwatile abanye abangani wami isifanye
manje ngicela ungitshele mfethu looking at the Orlando Pirates team for today ne man of the match yakho because I can see that you're an Orlando Pirates fan ku Orlando Pirates unika bani
yabona ku Pirates man of the match mfethu I don't want to lie to you all of them are men of the match even supporters are men of the match I don't want to single out ukuthi ubani man of the match but uTito unokulahla but improve uTito is a ball position unokulibamba ibhola sibona ukuthi hayi lo mutlo uyihamba noma Thanjela intwana encane ayize sibhekile ukuthi kwenzakalani.
So my brother, do you think ukuthi amajita from this match akhonile ukuziredeem from imatch weekend?
Le game le ezayo weekend is a very important game. iSundowns must fall ifanele siwine the way sidlale ngakhona umbatha remember akekho umabasa akekho asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani maybe that weapon bayihide ukuthi mesifika lapha yana ePitori kuyanyiwa lapha sifuna i2-0 2-0 then ilisayifuna.
So my brother, my last question to you ne looking at the Orlando Pirates vandag do you think ukuthi indaba ye-CAF Champions League sebayidlulisile like completely forgetting about it?
You know, it's very difficult to accept that we lost against that Congolese team. It's very difficult, but we have to accept football is football, yes. Win and lose. Pirates today is win. Then last time is win. Especially Pirates iqhubeke iye ku CAF. Sazi ukuthi sambe so win CAF second star. But is losile mfethu angeke ayikho into esukayenza. Well done amabhakaniya for last game for igame esidlalile ne Congolese team ayikho into esukayenza. But sicela ukuthi endeni ileague si win.
Nakanjani bopha njaya bafethu. This is PSL Pulse bafethu, Premier Soccer League Pulse. Danko.